the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon.
What is that? Okay, it's definitely nighttime, Mom.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
Yay!
Where's Humpty Dumpty?
Where is he? Is that Humpty Dumpty right there? Is that Humpty Dumpty? What do you think?
Where?
Hmm.
Listen, here's a... It's story time. Listen. Hickory, dickory, dock. The mouse ran up the clock. Whee! Twinkle, twinkle, little star,
How I wonder what you are.
The end. Listen here.
You like this one.
MacDonald had a fun. E-I-E-I-O. Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock.
The end.
The end.
You've decided it's over. Are we all done? Are we all done? Is it Mommy's turn to read? Is it Mommy's turn to read with you? What do you think? Can Mommy read to you now? Oh, okay. Can you say good night, everyone? Say good night, I love you. Say good night, I love you.